Your story may be boring because it lacks imagery. Don't just bring the story to your readers. Also bring your bring your readers to your story. Let them build and feel emotions from your story. Write as if you're writing a vignette, but not too much. I'll introduce the technique called 10 sentence story. 100 sentence story. What is the 100 sentence story? Even how long or how short your story could be, you may use this technique. Not like the 10 sentence plot that focus on the plot itself. This one focus on the story itself. It has settings and event time. Why should you use this technique? Great question of mine. If the 10 sentence plot is the foundation, this one acts like the walls and the room of the house. So before you can add the very little detail, the decoration, while using this technique, you may know where to put those. How to use the 100 sentence story. Using the guide of the 10 sentence plot, it will be much easier to use this. In every story, make a 10 sentence. In every sentence of the plot, create another sentence. Like every sentence from the plot, create a story from it. Yeah. You may create a story from the sentence. I use this technique for our project. Take a look. Again, like in the plot, it doesn't always need to be exact 10 sentences. Just as long as it describes the story, it's okay. When should you use this technique? Well, these tutorials are on a tutorial series, so it's a sequence. So after you wrote the 10 sentence plot, finalize it, then you can write this technique. Again, think of this as building a house. After you build the foundation firmly and strongly, then you can build the walls, the room, and the roof.